Just an ordinary potted boxwood, but that's where the bonsai begins. Before touching anything, I spend time observing the tree. I'm going to turn this raw tree into a bonsai. It's simple, cleaning the surface. Then I begin light pruning, removing unnecessary growth and slowly revealing the structure hidden inside. Dense foliage can hide a tree's character. By opening the structure, the design starts becoming clearer. Branch selection is one of the most important steps. Not every branch helps the design. Some add movement and some others create distraction. The structure simplified, wiring begins. Wiring allows me to guide the branches and create movement throughout the tree. Little by little, the boxwood starts taking on the image of a bonsai. Now it's time to work on the roots. Root pruning helps prepare the tree for life in shallower bonsai pot. At the same time, it encourages healthier root growth. Before planting, I prepared a new pot. Add add a little bit of fertilizer. Finding the right angle is important. Even a small adjustment can completely change how the bonsai looks. Once the position feels right, the tree is secured into place. And here comes the first watering. This piece of wet cloth is to help the tree to retain moisture. From potted plant to bonsai. Thanks for watching.